Hello, thanks for joining me for the March President's Message. I'm Amy Tokos, your NAPO president. I want to share a little something that's been happening. Over the last year or so, NAPO has been collaborating with AARP. It's been happening during Go Month and for several of their events. They are requesting our members that are CPOs to be a resource for panels on things like live Facebook events and webinars. Do you know how many people are members of AARP? I didn't know, but I did a quick Google search, and AARP has over 38 million members. The events we've participated in have been some of their most popular. Those AARP members are all potential clients that now know about NAPO and how to find our members and their services. I think that's pretty exciting. Shifting gears a little, just a reminder, conference is around the corner. The staff and board have had many conversations about the 2022 in-person conference event over the last year. This pandemic has taught us all a lot. One thing it has really highlighted is the differences among us. I completely understand the different perspectives when it comes to how we are handling our policies around conference. Trust me, we've heard all perspectives. Please know we are doing our best. You may agree, you may not. Each of you gets to decide your comfort level in attending conference or willingness to follow the rules. We acknowledge that some of you may make a personal decision to not attend. We understand, and again, please know we are doing our best with the information and advice we're getting. All of that being said, the conference program committee has really knocked it out of the park again this year. It looks to be a great educational event, as well as an opportunity to connect or reconnect with all of our NAPO colleagues. Early bird registration has been extended through the end of this month, so you still have time to register at the lowest price. I'll be there, and I hope to see you in Baltimore.